Okay. So there are many kinds of therapies, but the most prevalent ones are CBT, psychoanalysis, all those things. Okay. So first of all, there is CBT, the most common one, psychoanalysis, and then the most popular apart from these is insight oriented. Okay. So now I'll tell you with an example of how these therapies work. So how CBT works is, let's imagine this is a table. Okay. My drawing is not that great, but this is a table. And let's say a person who has come to me for therapy is showing a lot of signs of very low self-esteem. And they get very negative thoughts about themselves. Yeah. So how CBT works and how psychoanalysis works, there's a difference. So how psychoanalysis will do is they will try to understand each and every incident that has happened that has led to low self-esteem. As in understanding what is this tool even standing on. यानी कि ऐसे क्या एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं, ऐसी क्या इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं जिसकी वजह से ये पर्टिकुलर चीज इंसान फेस कर रहा है. सो इट गोज इनटू द डेप्थ ऑफ थिंग्स. जितना डेप्थ साइको एनालिसिस में कवर होता है उतना किसी और फॉर्म ऑफ थेरेपी में कवर नहीं होता. इट गोज इनटू द डीप कोर ऑफ थिंग्स, how it happened, when it happened, even if these incidents were extremely traumatic in nature. This is considered I'm telling you an extreme brief, okay? This is how psychoanalysis will work. But how CBT will work is that it will touch these stands, but it will not go into the core of things. It will directly attack here. What are the ways that you can fix this? That is why CBT is considered a solution-focused or action-oriented technique. Okay. So when I say action-oriented and when I say fix this, then there's a lot of strategies that go into it that are shared with the person. This is how you can work on your self-esteem. This is how you can change your perspective towards things. This is how you should behave. ये सब चीजें cover होती है. Now, when we talk about the third one, which is insight oriented, इसमें ये सब understand किया जाता है to a certain degree, but insight oriented बोलता है कि in all of this, who am I? That is why it is called insight oriented, यानी कि self awareness based. So it will help you understand ये experience हुआ है, ये incident हुआ है, बहुत कुछ और trauma रहा है, right? Low self esteem भी है, anxiety भी है, सब कुछ है, depression भी है, लेकिन इन सब में मैं कौन हूँ? Who am I as a person? What do I want? What do I need? What are my patterns? अपने patterns, अपने negative patterns understand करने में help मिलता है, अपने आप के बारे में needs, wants को understand करने में फर्क पड़ता है, और how do I change my patterns then? So many people who come to therapy and they say कि I think I need therapy, but I don't know what to talk about. ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं. So that is where this helps. So I'll give you like a minute to look at this.